In a much awaited development, Elon Musk has officially confirmed his upcoming cage fight against Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg. Taking to his social media platform X, Musk announced that the match would be live streamed on his platform. He said that all the revenue generated from the event will go towards a charity that supports veterans. While Mark Zuckerberg is yet to respond to Musk's confirmation of live streaming on X, the Meta founder had previously agreed to take on his business rival. Just a few days ago, in response to a Threads post by McDonald's asking if anyone wanted anything from their menu, Zuckerberg humorously replied asking for a large order. However, UFC fighter Mike Davis advised Mark Zuckerberg to avoid McDonald's during his training, to which Zuckerberg replied that he needed 4,000 calories a day to sustain his level of activity. This statement caught the attention of UFC President Dana White, who expressed his commitment to making the Musk vs. Zuckerberg match a reality. White predicted that this fight would surpass all previous records, making it the biggest fight in history and shattering all pay-per-view records. Elon Musk, on the other hand, has shared in a previous podcast interview with Joe Rogan that he has trained in Taekwondo, Judo, Karate during his childhood and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu as an adult. He is believed to hold significant advantages in weight and height when compared to Mark Zuckerberg. Adding to the speculation, a recent Instagram post by Zuckerberg showed him posing with renowned Ultimate Fighting champions Israel Adesanya and Alexander Volkanovski. TMZ reported that Zuckerberg has been undergoing intense training with these two accomplished MMA fighters in preparation for the fight. Both Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg have publicly showcased their willingness to step into the enclosure and engage in combat, making it clear that they are fully committed to this theatrical showdown. Zuckerberg has even confirmed his plans to build an octagonal arena on his property, further adding to the anticipation around the event. As the fight between the tech moguls draws nearer, fans are staying tuned for more updates and announcements. The clash between two of the world's most influential figures is expected to be a historic event, capturing the attention of millions worldwide.